What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I made this look because I wanted something super soft, pink and just pretty, just a soft look. So if you like this look, make sure you guys go ahead and continue watching. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy.
Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump into my eyebrows really quick. As you guys know, I never do my eyebrows on camera. One, because it takes me way too long to do them. So if you guys actually want to see how I do my eyebrows a little more detailed, then I do have a video that you guys can go ahead and check out. And it goes over how I actually do my eyebrows. Do not judge my eyebrows in this video because I do not get my eyebrows arched. I don't pluck them. I don't do anything to them. So I'm not going to as of now. So just watch the video. I have no idea what these faces are about. If you guys make faces while you're doing your makeup, let me know because I'm trying to get out of that because I'd be looking super crazy. So I'm trying to be cute while getting cute. So I'm taking my concealer and I'm just going to go ahead and outline my eyebrows so I can clean them up just a little bit. I try to make my eyebrows look nice but not too perfect. That's probably why I don't get them arched. Plus, I just don't want to add an extra thing on my list of things to do when I think they look okay. Just don't be all up in my face. But yeah, like, it takes time to do my eyebrows, so that's why I normally don't do them on camera. So me dragging my concealer down and putting that on my lid is actually a really good base for me to go ahead and start my eyeshadow. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and blending that out. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my Mercier translucent powder on top of that. And then as you can see, I'm going into my Morphe palette, guys. I know y'all are so tired of seeing this dang on Morphe palette, but I love my Morphe palette. So I'm going to do more videos with other palettes, but my Morphe palette is always my go-to. So I'm just going to take my transition color, which is a lighter shade of brown, and as you can see, I am using that as my transition color. So I'm just blending that out, and now I'm going to go ahead and take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the lightest shade that I have, and I'm going to just put that over my lid so it can be a lighter base for me to go ahead and apply the light pink that I have. And then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and go back in with my pink color. And forgive me, guys, because I have no idea what the name of this palette is. It is literally just some cheesy eyeshadow palette that I honestly got from the beauty supply store, and it had really pretty pink colors in it. So I tried that out. So any soft pink or, you know, dark pink that you want to try for this look, I would definitely go for it. But yeah, I just used different types of pinks on this look, and as you can see, I'm blending that out, and you'll see me go ahead and add more of those pink shades on there. Let me know what you guys think about these pinks. Like, I think that they're really nice, and I know that they're from the beauty supply store, but let me tell you the stuff that I can find there. Like, I have high end and low end. Like, I do not discriminate. As long as it does not break my skin out and it looks nice, I'm definitely going to try it out, especially for those of you guys that are just starting. Look how these colors look on my lids. They look so pretty. So right now, as you can see, the orange that's on my face, I'm just color correcting all of my dark spots. So I'm going to blend that in, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my foundation as usual. I'm trying to change up my foundation routine actually, so I'll have a new video, you know, showing that, so I can try a different way to apply my foundation. Okay, foundation is blended, so now I'm just taking my Fenty Beauty concealer and I'm going to go ahead and conceal. I'm going to let that actually sit while I put my lashes on so it can actually kind of like penetrate the skin. And then once I'm done applying my lashes, which I also do off camera, so I'm actually giving you guys a lot in this video. I don't do my eyebrows on camera and I do not do my lashes on camera, but today, you know, whatever. So I'm putting my lashes on, and then once I'm done with my lashes, then I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer. See you on TV, sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I will be nothing. So now I am adding my translucent setting powder for Mercier. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to all the areas that I highlighted, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder and place that on all the areas that I did not highlight, and that is going to be the same color as your skin. Then I'm going to use that same brush that I applied that MAC finishing powder with to brush off my highlight, so that way it can kind of like even out the, you know, the lightness of it with that darker color. So now that's blended, I'm going to go ahead and take my True Complexions. As you can see, it's makeup all on top of that because that's where I dibble and dabble on. I'm going to just go ahead and bring the color back into my face and contour, sharpen up those cheekbones, make my face look super snatched. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and add my translucent powder underneath that to sharpen that contour up. And then the thing that I like about adding the contour and things like that is it brings that color back to your face so you don't look washed out, which is another thing that makes your face look more natural by adding blush and adding bronzer and things like that. So like I said before, I am adding that translucent powder to sharpen up those cheekbones, and then I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. I am adding my blush, and I'm going to go ahead and remove that translucent powder, and as you can see, look at the definition that it added to my cheekbones right there. I'm finishing the eyes, and I'm just adding the eyeshadow that I had at the top of my eyes to the bottom. I'm also going to add my black Radiance black eyeliner. And then this look, I'm just going to do a soft lip, so I wanted to do my brown matte lippy. And then I wanted to add just a little bit of pink over that. So that's the lip that I did. It's something just super simple and soft. Yes, this is the end, the spraying of the face, which is the final part. And the best part for me is highlighting my face. So adding this bomb highlighter, which I got from the Beauty Supply store. Once again, don't sleep on those products. Look at that. Look at that highlight that just gave my high cheekbone. So once you apply your highlight, you are done, and this is the final look, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.